Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel Healthy Lifestyle with Santana, where I talk about juices, smoothies and everything natural. So today I'll be showing you guys a cholesterol lowering smoothie. It tastes absolutely delicious and it also gives you a little boost of energy. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay guys, for this recipe you're going to need half a mango, half an avocado, you're going to need 3 oranges, you're going to need your knife, your cup, your juicer, and then you're also going to need your blender. I've got my Ninja here. Okay, so let's get started. I always say it, but it really is. So it's got the avocado that helps you lower your cholesterol, and it's also got the mango. So the mango helps prevent constipation, and then it's got the oranges to give you a quick boost in the morning. So please guys, try this out. It's really, amazing. It tastes really good, so I don't see why not. But yeah, let me know in the comments below and I will see you guys soon. Bye.